This project is of a leaf disease prediction system. You'll have Raspberry Pi 4 board and a USB camera has to be connected. And using our other screen sharing hotspot video, you'll get the screen share of your Raspberry Pi screen into your laptop. So in this, you will have a folder called File Manager. In the File Manager, there is a subfolder called View, and you will have options in this folder. You will have two options. One is the cam images and the other one is the leaf images. So in the cam images, I will remove this image and go to trash, empty the trash can. So these are the generally the leaf disease image prediction can be done using a leaf image only. It is not possible to directly show the leaf. And second thing is the species has to be also selected manually. Now, whatever the species photo, if you available, you can save using the camera. I will show you how to save it. And the second thing is you have a folder called leaf images. You have to double click on this leaf images and you will have sample of 3 leaves and their leaf diseases. So each leaf disease will have 9 images stored, okay, or potato and tomato. So their specific diseases and images regarding to their specific disease. So in order to run this application, you have to double click on this thing. So once you double click on this, then you can also keep open for the interruption. Now, after opening the application, you get these two windows. That is, one is the detection view window in order to predict the image, predict the image, and second one is the camera. So go to the view folder, and in the cam images, in order to save the images, you have to just click on this particular window using your mouse and press small s button. Don't press the capital S, press the small s button. Once you press the small s, the images will be saved. So these images are like this. If you show this camera to any real leaf, and those leaf images can be saved here. So in order to predict real time also. And the second thing is the leaf images as shown in the earlier. We have this predicted already leaf diseased images. Now you can go to the view window where the prediction is be done. If you click on this drop down, you will find this corn, tomato and potato. Now I'm selecting one species, that is the tomato species, and clicking on the browse image, going to the leaf images. Here I'm selecting the tomato and I want to test some whatever the leaf for this thing and select the particular leaf. Whenever I select the leaf, that's it. In the background, the application starts to process the entire thing, and it will give the prediction like tomato late by this. You can press on the clear button, the image will be cleared. Same way, drop down, select corn, go to browse image. You can just click on the up arrow, go to the corn species, select some whatever the thing you want. And I want to tell you that these are approximately 70 to 80% accuracy. Every leaf we won't detect will uploaded or detected will be given correct results. Okay, this is the common rust. This is also predicted correct. So you can press clear button, it will clear off the images. Same way, if you select the potato, go to browse image, go to upwards. Potato is only data set of 2 diseases. I've selected the image, the processing done, and it has given us the correct. Now if you want to check the wrong predictions also, we may get, I have not checked. Then let me check some healthy leaf, random healthy leaf, and see whether it gives healthy or else any disease. So see, the healthy leaf selected also given as potato late, right? So this is the some sort of errors, and some will give you the healthy leaf also. So in this way, you can check the images from the online also by copying it to the pen drive and shifting this thing, and by going placing in leaf test images and test the images also, it will work.